Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Middle Pet. First, let's understand its fundamental purpose. Your Middle Pet is designed to enhance your daily tasks by providing seamless assistance and interaction. We'll identify the primary controls, which typically include a central activation button and two directional input pads. You'll learn how to activate its core functions with a single press and deactivate them with a sustained hold of approximately 3 seconds. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective operation. Setting up your Middle Pet is straightforward. Begin by connecting it to its power source. A full charge usually takes about 2 hours, indicated by a solid green light. Next, download the companion application from your device's app store and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your Middle Pet via Bluetooth, ensuring you are within 10 meters. Finally, customize initial settings like your preferred language from over 20 options and adjust response sensitivity to your comfort level, typically between a 1 and 10 scale. Now, let's dive into its core functions. You can utilize voice commands for hands-free operation. Simply say, "Hey Pet," followed by your instruction, such as set a timer for 15 minutes. Explore the tactile feedback system, which provides gentle vibrations for confirmations and alerts, offering a non-visual cue. Managing its energy is key. A fully charged Middle Pet offers approximately 8 hours of continuous use, and it enters a low-power mode when battery levels drop below 20%, indicated by a slow pulsing light. To maximize your Middle Pet's potential, discover advanced customization options within the app, allowing you to tailor its personality and response style from a selection of 5 distinct profiles. Integrate it seamlessly with other smart home devices, such as your lighting system or thermostat, for unified control. Remember to perform regular software updates, typically released quarterly, to access new features, performance improvements, and security enhancements, ensuring your Middle Pet remains at its peak efficiency and continues to evolve with your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.